What's going on? This is recap of this morning's trades for me, the bearded trader. It's a good day. I had a small loss on ONCS. Stock didn't break out the way I needed it to. Ended up getting stopped out on it. However, I was able to make that money back on FRTA, as well as a good short on Snap and a good short on TTWO. I appreciate the comments that you all are leaving. I'm telling you, it does feel good to know that I'm able to help some of you all look at the market differently, learn some things, just as well as I'm learning things from you all. To the gentleman who stated I am a one-trick pony, I appreciate you, man. Thank you kindly. You know, it gives me motivation, extra motivation to get up in the morning, get behind the computer, and make some money. However, I do trade long, I do trade short. As you can see, I do trade stocks that are $100 and I do trade stocks that are $20. So for whatever reason you feel I'm a one-trick pony, by all means, you have the right to feel that way. And also just know I have the right to feel good today because I made $1,500. So with that said, we're gonna jump into these trades and see where I made mistakes at and see where I did some good things at and keep it moving. All right, let's get started. FRTA's on the move. Actually did not have this on my watch list. Didn't think it had enough volume to it, but looks like it does. Had an overnight gap off of earnings. And so let's see what happens. Let this first 1 minute bar close and go from there. FRTA. Snap breaks through. It's this 1310. I'll look to take a short position on it. I'm gonna grab some FRTA. We're at 580. If I can get filled. So I got a market order sitting out there. Filled me right at 580, so that's good. 2,000 shares. Put my stop at 550 FRTA. So my stop will be this blue line. Let's see, and I'm long at 580 right here. So go ahead and sell half, up 15 cents, lock in $100, $150. Getting a little bounce and snap. Let's move some of this stuff off the chart that's not actually working. Also, ONCS got a pullback from the overnight high. Well, previous overnight high, which was this. Then I guess around 8:30 made another high. So I'm gonna take a long position ONCS. If it can close above 230. There we go. ONCS. 236, got filled at 235, 2,000, 3,000 shares. So I might end up getting stopped out in this FRTA. Snap is running. So I'm long ONCS right here at 235. That's looking good. I'll take some off at 250. Probably just sell 1,000 up here at 250. And Snap is pulling back. We're getting our bounce in FRTA. Pull back, hit some support. Still got 1,000 shares out there. Next target will be $6. Boom, there we go. It's like clockwork. So sold a little bit, 621 right here. Still have 500 shares left. And I'm gonna be stopped out of ONCS. So couldn't push above 240, fell back down, got stopped out. I'll keep it on the list. It may actually push back higher. As you can see, it was gapped up overnight. Hit this 244 area, so that's the second time it's gotten up there. Let me move this to 244. And have 500 shares left on FRTA. My stop is 580. So I'm still long FRTA. I will get back in ONCS if it breaks above 244. Also, TTW is a short. It is a short. So I am short TTW at 117.72. So I am short TTWO. Get a break through this 117.32 area. This stock could push all the way down to 116. And it is a overnight gap with some support down here at 114. There we go. We got our push through. And I'll sell a little bit. Well, I should say buy a little bit. All right, so I sold half down here at 16.40, locking in $1 profit. Still got 250 left. My stop is 117.72. Still long FRTA from 580. Still long FRTA. Still short TTWO. And looks like, I'm telling you, if Snap breaks through this open, I gotta take it short. And I am flattening out of TTWO. So made 330 off that short. And looks like I'm about to go short again on Snap. This time I got a better idea where support and resistance at. We got some resistance up here at 1409. We have some more resistance right here at 1376. So a break through the open could take us back down 1307. So that's where I'm looking at. Break through this open to 1348. I'll sell 2,000 shares and go from there. Actually, that's going to be 3,000. Sell 3,000. All right, so I'm short snap 1345. I'll break back through the open. I'm gonna let this one ride out most of the day. See how low it can get. We have an overnight low down here around 1174, 72 area. We got the all-time low down here 1133, 1130, 1128 area. So that's the trade for snap. Get a break above 625 on FRTA. I'll go ahead and sell another 250 shares. All right, so we finally got that break above 625 on FRTA. Go ahead and let 250 shares go. Lock in 40 cents. So now I have 250 left. See what this thing can do. We got our push up. Hit some resistance, fell back down, found an area of support, push back up with increased volume. Let's see if it can get up to that 650 area. If not, you know where my stop is. Stop is at 580. All right, FRTA, it just hit 635. That's great. That is great. I'll let 100 go at 650, locking in 80 cents. Let's see what the levels are. So we got one click, two, drop it down to the base of the support. And we get, boom, there we go. I'm gonna let 100 go. Lock in 80 cents. So 100% extension is up here at 669. I'll go ahead and close it out up there, 670. That'll be 100% extension from this pullback. And that'll be a total of 1 point, a full point on this last 100. We see snap is getting shorter. I'm gonna go ahead and sell this last 100 on FRTA at 691. So that's it for that trade. That's it. Close it out up here. Snap is looking like a champ. It's looking like a champ. Got in 1345. I'll sell 1,000 shares around 1320. All right, so I'm gonna sell 1,000 of snap. Well, keep saying sell. I'm already short. I'm gonna buy back 1,000 shares of snap right there at 1322, locking in 200 bucks. So I got 2,000 shares left. All right. Break below 1309. Snap can very well push back down to this $11 area, 1180, 1175 area. There's the 1309 on Snap. This could be an area where it bounces, or volume could pick up and break through. And the stock has dropped a lot since it took this bounce right here, 1374, all the way down to 1309. Could possibly get a bounce back up 1340, who knows? Or if it cracks through, get ready to go down to 12. Snap's getting weaker. I sell another 500 around 1275. All right, so I'm gonna buy back a little more right here at this 1270 area. Got filled at 1272. Lock in a little more cash. So we got the low down here, it's 1178. All-time low, 1127. Some buyers pushed this thing all the way back up to 16 and sold it back off. Broke through the open. Took another short position at 1345 and riding this thing down. So this is a big tail down here. So obviously some either buyers or computers triggered and bought this area back up for whatever reason. Let's see. All right. If this candle can't close down, ended up closing higher, forming a green candle or a white candle, I'll go ahead and take profits, because this looks like an area where this stock is about to bounce, and I do not want to be a part of it at all. I don't want to be a part of it. And that's it for Snap. So I'm out of Snap. Did not like this candle, this long wick that lets you know, hey, buyers are stepping in. You can take this bounce. I'm not sure how high it's gonna go, but you could take that as a bounce, a real 30, 50 cent scalp. Make some money off of it. So that's it for Snap. Made a little over $1,000 on it. Had a good trade on FRTA to the long side. Got in right here at 580. Sold some up here at 620. Stock pushed back a little bit. Caught a bid. Buyer stepped back in, took some more off the table right here at 620. Then closed it out up here around 695 for roughly a little over $500 gain on it. Nice trade on TTWO. It was a short play. This 120 area couldn't hold. Seller stepped in, took the stock short on it. Had a nice break right here at 1770 and scaled out down here around, not 1770, I'm sorry, 11770. Scaled out down here around 116 area for a nice short. So that's it for me today. If there's anything I can do for you, definitely let me know. I am an open book. Use me at your will. Just don't abuse the resource. That's it for me today. Y'all have a great day.